newspapers and their founders during the nation movement. Important newspapers. So first newspaper, Bengal Gazette. Bengal Gazette. Bengal Gazette started in 1780 Jan 29th. 1780 Jan 29th. So Bengal Gazette was founded by James Augustus Hickey. James Augustus Hickey. James Augustus Hickey. It was an English weekly newspaper. First newspaper, Bengal Gazette. And next, in 1821, Sambar Kaumudi. In 1821, Sambar Kaumudi. Sambar Kaumudi. It was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He was given the title of Raja by Akbar II. Who was the Akbar II? Akbar II was the later Mughal emperor. So Raja Ram Mohan Rai, also known as the father of Bengal Renaissance. So another newspaper in 1822, Mirat ul Akbar. Mirat ul Akbar. It was also founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Miratul Akbar. It was also founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. And in 1822, the Bombay Samachar. In 1822, the Bombay Samachar. The Bombay Samachar. The Bombay Samachar. It continuously newspaper published in Gujarat and English languages. So it was founded by Fardunji Majban. Fardunji Majban. The Bombay Samachar is founded by Fardunji Majban in 1822. Another important newspaper in 1851. 1851, Rastgufta. 1851. Rastgufta means truth teller. Truth teller. It was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji. It was an Anglo-Gujarati newspaper. It was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India and unofficial ambassador of India. Dadabhai Naoroji was also known as Grand Old Man of India and unofficial ambassador of India. He acted as a president of INC in 1886, 1893 and 1906. So Rastgufta was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji. Next, 1853. 1853, Hindu Patriot. It was an English language newspaper. So it was published by Girish Chandra Ghosh. Girish Chandra Ghosh. Girish Chandra Ghosh. Next, another important newspaper in 1858. 1858, Som Prakash. Som Prakash. Som Prakash was founded by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was also known as the father of Bengali prose, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He received the title of Vidyasagar from Sanskrit College, Calcutta, for his excellent performance in Sanskrit education and philosophy. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was also known as the father of Bengali prose. So another newspaper in 1862, Indian Mirror. Indian Mirror. Indian Mirror was started by Devendranath Tagore. He played an active role in the Brahma Samaj. Devendranath Tagore. He was a Hindu philosopher and religious reformer. So next, 1868, Amrut Bazar, newspaper Amrut Bazar. Amrut Bazar was started by Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh. And in 1881, Kesari and Maratha. So Kesari and Maratha newspapers were started by Balagangadhar Tilak. He was an extremist. So Kesari started in Marathi language and Maratha started in Marathi language and Maratha started in English language. Tilak once said, I regard India as my motherland and my goddess. The people in India are my kith and kin. And loyal and steadfast work for their political and social emancipation is my highest religion and duty. So in 1903, Indian Opinion. 1903, Indian Opinion. Indian Opinion was started by M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. It published in Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil and English languages. Later, Mahatma Gandhi started Young India, Navajivan and Harijan newspapers also. So 1903, Indian Opinion. And 1912, Al Hilal newspaper. Al Hilal was founded by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He was the first Minister of Education in Indian government. He wrote India Wins Freedom and Gubai Khate, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So, and 1914, New India was started by Annie Besant. And 1919, Independent newspaper was started by Motilal Nehru. 1920, Mook Nayak. 1920, Mook Nayak was started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, he was the first Minister of Law and Justice in independent India. And he was a member of Constituent Drafting Committee. and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar considered the chief architect of Constitution of India. So in 1938, National Herald was started by Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Thank you.